In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit a check on PayPal. First things first, make sure you have the PayPal app installed on your smartphone. It's crucial to have the latest version to ensure you have all the recent updates and features. If you haven't already, log into your PayPal account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the home screen. It might seem a bit complex initially, but don't worry, we'll walk through it together. After logging in, look for the Wallet section. This section is where you manage all your money details, checking your balance, seeing recent transactions, and more. Within the Wallet section, find and select the option labeled Cash a Check. If you can't see it immediately, try scrolling around, or sometimes, it might be under a sub-menu depending on your device and the app layout. Now that you've located the Cash a Check option, let's prepare to deposit your check. Make sure you're in a well-lit area. This will help the app clearly capture all the details on the check. Place your check on a flat surface with a contrasting background. This can be a simple dark cloth if your check is light-colored, or vice versa. Once you're all set, go ahead and tap on the Cash a Check option. The app will launch your camera to start the process. Position the camera over your check as instructed on the screen. Align the edges carefully within the guide that appears on your phone's display. Keep your hand steady to help avoid any blurring and ensure that all the details are captured clearly. Once you're ready, follow the prompts to snap a picture of the front of the check. After capturing the front, you're going to do the same for the back. Before taking this picture, make sure to endorse the check by signing your name where indicated on the reverse side. The endorsement is crucial, otherwise, the check won't be processed. Now, take another picture of the back, making sure it is aligned correctly just like you did for the front. Once these images have been taken, the app will prompt you to enter the check amount. Carefully input the exact amount written on the check to avoid any discrepancies later. After that, you'll have to review all the details, the check images and the amount. Confirm everything is correct before proceeding to submit. Finally, press Submit, and your check deposit request will be sent for processing. Keep an eye out for a confirmation message or email from PayPal, which will let you know once the deposit is successful. This can sometimes take a bit of time, depending on your bank and their processing speeds, so a little patience here will be needed. And that's it! You've successfully deposited a check using PayPal. With this convenient feature, managing checks is made simpler and stress-free. Make sure to store your physical check safely until you've confirmed the deposit is finalized. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and happy banking with PayPal!